Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing 6 makeup tips for glasses wearers. Firmoo reached out to me again. I partnered with them in a previous video and I reviewed the glasses that they sent me, which were these right here, and I absolutely love them. These were the new pair that they sent me and I absolutely love these too. So they offered my subscribers for a limited supply for you guys to get your first pair of glasses for $4.95. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave their link down below. Go ahead and check them out. They're really good quality. If you want to see my review on their glasses, go ahead and check out that video. I'll leave that down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the #1 tip is to use eyeshadows that enhance your eye color. You want to make sure that your eyes pop, they look bigger. The eyeshadows that I'm going to be using today are from the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette, and it's a super inexpensive palette. It looks just like this. I find that eyeshadows that enhance my natural eye color are a lot of golds and also purples, mauves, pinks like this. So that is what I'm going to be using on my eyes today. So the first color I'm going to be taking is this one right here, and I'm going to put that right in the crease. The next color that I'm going to be taking is this one right here. And for my lid shade, I'm going to be taking this color right here. So the second step is to make sure to use concealer. I know a lot of glasses wearers tend to skip this step because they think that the glasses will cover up their under eyes, but in reality, because of the reflection that your glasses give, it actually tends to make them stand out more. So I definitely never skip out on concealer, and my favorite at the moment is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Also, don't be afraid to pack on the concealer. We want to make sure that we cover up our dark circles. The third tip is to make sure to set your makeup. I personally have pretty dry skin, but I also don't like makeup getting all over my glasses, and when I don't set my makeup, I also notice that my glasses tend to slide. So I use the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I take my beauty blender and I don't set my whole face, but I'll show you what I do. I take it onto my beauty blender and I make sure to pack it into my nose right there where my glasses sit and on my under eye area. I just kind of let it sit right there so it bakes just a little right here, and then I just pat it into the skin after it sits for about a good minute or so. And now going back to the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use a nude eyeliner in my waterline. I'm going to use the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Honeydew. And again, we want to create the illusion of larger eyes. I rarely ever use a black liner only because it tends to make my eyes look smaller. The next tip that you want to make sure to follow is to curl and use a curling mascara. I personally cannot wear falsies when I'm wearing my glasses only because it bugs me when the falsies start hitting my lens. That's just so annoying, but I do want to make sure that my eyelashes look long and that it makes my eyes look bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my curling iron. I'm gonna go ahead and take my eyelash curler and the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And the last tip is your glasses frame your eyes, but your eyebrows frame your glasses. So I've noticed that when I don't do my eyebrows, or when my eyebrows aren't popping, that it just changes the look of your glasses. So I just did my eyebrows. If you guys want the full tutorial on my eyebrow routine, you can check out, I think it was 2 videos ago that I did that. I'll link it down below. But one thing that I do like to do is I will take, not a concealer, but I will take my foundation that I used to clean up my eyebrows. Then I go ahead and set them with my clear brow gel. And then I go in with my brow bone highlight, which is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlight in Wisp. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below what your favorite tip was. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!